number 19, pass to jersey number 1, Navarro. Back to jersey number 19, Matias. He's a pass to jersey number 8. Goes in the body, to go to jersey number 7, up and under is no good. Down the body, Navarro, and jersey number 9, 3 on the Padres, Ronnie Gomez. There's a foul, jersey number 9. And the second foul, penalty. 2 free throws for jersey number 99, Gomez. Good shot is good. Second last one for jersey number 99, Thomas Smith. It's jersey number 9 out, and jersey number 11 by the Whites. 5 minutes and 7 seconds to play. Score 66-54, 12-point lead. Para sa Barangay Tugtugan, jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 1, Navarro. Pass to Cruz, 12 on the shot clock. Jersey number 19, 10-second shot clock. Corner pass to jersey number 1, Navarro. To jersey number 9 for 3. Jersey number 9, 3. Score 66-57, a 9-point lead. Para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Jersey number 99, pass to Comunidad. Back to Gomez. To Palomares. To jersey number 7, 10 on the shot clock. Quick cross, jersey number 99. It's been moved up to jersey number 7. 6-second shot clock. To jersey number 6, Comunidad. Now step forward. Makes it up. Number 6. For this is 16 seconds to play. There is that jersey number 3, Ortiz. Passing jersey number 6, Trinidad. He's a passing jersey number 7, corner pass. Jersey number 11 for 3. It's no good. Jersey number 8, and this is jersey number 9. Nice for Sapa, jersey number 99. And remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Score 17-57. A 30-point lead, jersey number 1. Bounce pass to jersey number 27. Sable.
Super sa kaya.
13-second shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. Timeout, Barangay Chao. Time remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds to play. Bazaar, fourth and last quarter, score 17-57. A 13-point lead. Para sa Barangay, Tugtugan. Barangay Chao, may 2 point talo. Barangay Tugtugan, meron pa kayo isa. Para sa ating fourth quarter. Ating fourth game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds to play. Para sa ating fourth and last quarter, score 17-57, a 13-point lead. Para sa Barangay Tugtugan. 13-second shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 19, baseline inbound, corner pass to jersey number 1, baseline jumper, in and out. Bottom for the rebound, on jersey number 6, Trinidad. Pass to Gomez. He's down, he's dribbling, he's going to play to jersey number 6. Great pass, wrong combination para jersey number 6, turnover. Time remaining 3 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Jersey number 1 against jersey number 99. Pass to Matias. Working on the shot clock. Pass to Navarro, jersey number 1. There's a foul away from the ball. A foul committed by jersey number 3.